Begin by using your cable cutter and placing the cable into the cutter. Wrap the cutter around the cable 3 to 4 times and take apart the ends. You should be left with a 1/4 inch of the center conductor only, as well as 1/4 inch of the braid and shield. Carefully place the braid downwards so it does not interfere when you are putting on the connector. Take your connector and place it onto the cable, making it flush with the inside. Take the connector and place it into the crimper. Once it is inserted properly, squeeze to crimp the connectors together. The connector is now secure and will not come off. You can use any side cutters to cut the cable apart.